Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing the problem where the Instagram keeps lagging, freezing or stuttering, especially on low-end phones or older phones. So we can just go over and follow up these solutions to fix it. First of all, we can clear cache on the application itself, so hold the app and go to the info. And once you are there, go to the storage section, scroll down, find storage and tap on it. And within storage, look out for the clear cache option and tap on it and just do so. Don't delete the data, just clear the cache. That should refresh the system. Apart from that, you can turn off the data saver mode. So you can open up Instagram, and once you open up Instagram, go to your profile in the bottom right and select it. And once you go to your profile, look out for the menu option in the top right and select it. And once you select it, you can look out for the option of data saver. Scroll down and go to the section for post under your app and media. So find data uses and media quality and tap on it. And you may turn this option off of data saver. So if this option is turned on, you can turn it off. And that should also fix the issue of Instagram loading very slowly and causing the stuttering. And apart from that, you can free up the phone storage as well. You can delete up the old videos and photos, clear the downloads, and at least keep 2 to 1 GB free. And apart from that, you can just go over and try Instagram Lite instead on lower devices. So go to Play Store for that, and you can go to the search and then search for Lite. So you can type in Instagram Lite. And once you find Instagram Lite, you can just go over and install this version as well because this uses less RAM, faster loading, smaller size, and perfect for older or slow devices. If the app is glitchy or corrupted, you can try uninstalling the Instagram application and again reinstalling it. Hold it up, look out for the uninstall option and reinstall it. That should give you a fresh install without any kind of junk files. And that's it. These tips will help you fix the Instagram lagging on low end or older phones and make the application run smoother. So if you're still facing the lag, you can just go over and follow the steps. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.